Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can take pictures in BeReal. So go ahead and open the BeReal app on your phone. Then press on Post your first reel. You can allow all of these and there are options you can choose from. You can turn on or off the BTS. You can switch or flip the camera. And then once you're ready, click on the tap button. Wait for a while and then your first reel is being clicked. After you're done, you can click on Post BeReal. Let me show it to you again. Tap the camera icon and then tap on the click button. After you're done, wait for a while and then you have clicked your photo. There are multiple settings from which you can choose from, like to whom you want to show the photo, the type of music you want, the location, and after you're all done, you can simply press on post or add. And then you have clicked your picture. This was a video on how to click picture in BeReal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.